Hello folks, Chad Stanton here, a professional woodworker of over 25 years, sharing my experiences with you. Recently, I was asked by the Cincinnati Woodworking Club to come down to their place and give them a demonstration on table saw use and some tips. And this made me recall the video that I did about a year or so ago. I was building a chair and I showed in that video how to make a perfect half lap joint on your table saw. So I thought I would just take the small segment from that longer video and share it with you here today in its own standalone little video. I thought I'd take a second and show you my setup for making this little dado notch in it. So to start with, I have a stacked dado set up in here, and this is a 1/2 inch. I always kind of just keep it at 1/2 inch, and I have it raised up 1/8 of an inch. The other thing that I'm using to make a simple sled, I've got two miter gauges here screwed to a scrap piece of wood, and I've gone through and already made a cut on the sacrificial board. And then I have just a scrap piece of wood and a clamp to act as a stop block. So let me zoom in and show you how to get a super precise fit for these. All right, so here's how I'm going to get a super precise fit on this dado to where my pieces will lock together and fit snug. I need a couple of scrap pieces of wood. The first one is a piece of cutoff from this material here, this leg. All right, so we're going to use that. The other thing I want to do is on the sacrificial board where I went through, I transferred my pencil lines up. So the setup for this is, here's another leg. I need to cut this material out. The setup is I want to take this line here at the top and I want to line it with this edge, this left edge of the where the dado goes through. I line that up, and then with this scrap piece of wood, I'm going to put that in there. I move the stop block over to it and lock that down. And then I can go through, take this out, holding that in there, I can go through and make the first cut. Now, it would seem that since this scrap block is the same size of what I want, and I put it there, you would think that, well, I'll just push this all the way over and make my next cut. But if I do that, you'll see that I'm too much. So what I need second is this is some 1/2 inch plywood, and that is the same thickness as my 1/2 inch stacked dado blade. And so what this would do then, this goes in next. This makes the cut at the other pencil line, the pencil line to my right, and then I can remove that, and then I can just cut down the middle and take out the rest of the waste. And that way, not only are they always in the same position each time for each leg, but they're also the exact same size as my leg for a really nice fit. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tip. If you'd like to see the whole video of making that chair, I have that link down below in the description there for you. And too, if you enjoyed this little quick tip, I would ask that you like, subscribe, share this video, hit that notification bell so you can see more videos like this, because it really does help me with my YouTube channel and the algorithms. As always, if you have a question about something you are working on in your shop and would like some help, well, feel free to write me at woodchoppingtime@gmail.com, because my whole goal is to make you a better woodworker. Thanks so much. I'll be back soon. Until then, keep on dancing.